friends, and welcome to our cozy home. I'm Gina. In today's video, I'm going to take this storage closet and turn it into a food pantry. So with the help of Brian, let's see if we can get it done. Okay, this is the before. I washed and dried all my new containers. Got some over there. And this is what we're working on today, my pantry. It is a mess. So, Brian and me are going to organize it today. He's got shelves he's gonna hang to make it better. And then I'm gonna move all my canned goods into this pantry. This is what I want to move into the pantry. If you can believe it, it was neatly organized, but Christmas came and I just kind of threw everything in here and it's a big mess. So I need to sort through everything and make the closet pantry a food pantry. Okay, I got some of my stuff put in my containers. I'm actually excited about cleaning. Okay, it's clean, but there's a lot of marks. I think I'm going to paint it, but I'm going to wait until spring. But it's empty and it's clean. Now he's putting together a storage shelf for me. Say hi, Brian.
Hi.
And there's our supervisor. Can you say hello, boo? Come on, look. What's time, boo? What are you doing in there? Is that your bathtub? That's so pretty. It's coming together, but as time goes on, I'll rearrange things. But right now, I think I will have plenty of room. Still got some more cabinet space. And Brian made me these 2 shelves so I can stack my fruit and vegetables up. You know, help me keep an eye on what I got and what I don't got. Okay, we got it all finished. For now, I'm sure I'll rearrange some things, but it looks so much better. It's not Pinterest worthy, but it suits my needs so much better. And then this door, it holds a lot. My little stuff that kind of gets lost. And I got that on Amazon. So that's my little small pantry, and I'm glad I did it. Now I'll show you what I did with the cabinets I had my canned food in. I'm able to store all my baking stuff together in my mixing bowls. I did have to put them in 2 separate cabinets. And these are my new ones. I got them from Hobby Lobby. There's 3 of them, different sizes. And then where I moved my bowls and baking, some of my baking stuff. Yes, I have a problem with homers. But now they're all in one piece or together. They're all in one area. I will go through them. I'm gonna start going through all my dishes and stuff and do some donating. But now they're all together. Gotta make room for more. We're both tired, but it's finished. It's one step in organizing my kitchen. I got a lot more to do, but thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.